Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one drop dead gorgeous 1949 Merc. Take a look at this beauty. Black is beautiful. Look at this baby. Man, the reflections in this beautiful black paint are unbelievable. The chrome is looking sweet. Look at that hood ornament. Man, she is black and she is beautiful. Look at those hubcaps. Mercury right on the hubcaps, and 8. Yeah, she's got a Flathead 8 in her. Wide whites. Look at this thing, man, and look at this. Isn't that sweet? Look at that interior. She's gorgeous. Man, it's gorgeous. Look at that dash. All the gauges, all the chrome, the finishes. She's a beauty. All the upholstery there is looking sweet. We're going to open up this back door again so we can take a look in the back. Beautiful. We've got some tape on the hood latch here. It's actually got an interior latch there that opens up the hood. That was neat. And this is neat too. Look at this. Here we go. Isn't that cool? Take a look at the chrome on that rear bumper. Look at that tail light. Isn't that sweet? And this thing's got duals. Look at this. Look at the finish on that. There's the Mercury man right there. Watch this. Now I got 3 keys here. Which one do you think it is? I'm going to go with the one with the little notch in it. Oh, it's gonna, oh, look at that. Look inside there. Man, that's beautiful. Plenty of room in there. Beautiful restoration on this car. She's gorgeous, inside and out. Look down the side there. Passenger side is absolutely straight as an arrow. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We spend the time, check these cars out, then we buy them. Then we bring them here to our shop and we get them up on the lift and we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So don't hesitate to call anytime, 7 days a week. 248-974-9513. We answer the phone practically 24 hours a day, so call anytime. We can answer all your questions. Right now we've got about 200 cars in stock and we bring in about 40 new ones every month. Now we're on Instagram, Facebook, our website at vanguardmotorsales.com, so check us out often. We've always got new exciting inventory coming in. Now guys, I've been in that industry about 35 years and I use that experience every day to help you pick out your dream car. Mercury time, let's go for a ride. 3 on the tree, always love shifting gears. And I tell you what, we can deliver this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. And don't forget, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day, so you can call him anytime you would like. Just give Tom a call He'll explain the whole process to you. He will make it so easy for you. He'd take care of all the paperwork, don't you worry. If you need any help with financing, we can help you out with that department too. Where else are you gonna find a big old black Merc this beautiful? I'll tell you what, I grew up of James Dean land, guys. I've been around Mercury's my whole life. To find one this beautiful, you're not gonna do it. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Get around the corner here, we will take a look at the dash. And we invite you to come on down to the shop and check them out in person. We got about 200 cars in stock at all time. Now look down here on the dash. Look at all these gauges and knobs. Everything looking sweet. Speedo's working. Looks like the oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge. We got the voltage gauge here. Look at that radio. Isn't that sweet? Now, the radio is an AM radio. I do not hear it making any music, so more than likely that AM radio is long gone. You could probably get one of those aftermarket radios. You can put those in the glove box, get them a little remote to work those things. Very cool. Listen to some oldies music in this old 49 Merc. Love the suicide doors on this beauty. You want to talk about drawing a crowd? Anywhere you go, I guarantee you this baby's going to draw a crowd. Shifting nice, up and down, no problem whatsoever. Old Flathead's putting out plenty of power. Now our shop is very close to the airport, so if you'd like to fly in and check them out in person, we'd love to have you. Even though we do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the net, we love to have our customers come on out, check them out in person, send an inspector. Now we are about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can see the bottom, then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that Mercury flathead. All right, we're underneath this Merc now, and man, it's pretty under here. As you can see, the exhaust is fairly new, 427 gear in the rear end, and it is an open rear end. You can see the floorboards are solid as a rock. Now, I've been underneath a million of these Mercs, and you just never see them with their original floors. This is original Mercury floorboards, guys. This is super rare. The back sides of the rockers, again, original metal. You just don't find this. I mean, most of these are all rotten and have been all patched together. This is all original stuff here. 3-speed manual transmission here. Everything under here is beautiful. Now on the brakes, the guys pull those all apart, make sure they're all installed correctly, make sure they're working correctly. Everything's been cleaned up here, looking sweet. I mean, just a beautiful car. To find one in this nice a shape, very, very rare. Now let's look at the wheels and tires here. I love these hubcaps here. They say Mercury on them and they say 8. We've got these wide whites here, and I do believe these are radials. Usually we can find some markings on them. More than likely, let's come around the back side here. All right, I found it. It's really, really small right there. It says tubeless radial right there. But like I said, I knew by looking those are radials. Well, let's go look at the back. Love the skirts. And again, they've got the same good looking hubcaps here. And those tires are the same size as the fronts. Look at these rockers. It's all Mercury metal right there, guys. Like I said, very, very rare. Very, very cool. Well, let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got the Merc 255 flathead. Everything looking sweet, date code correct under there. Firewall's looking good. All the wiring's looking awesome. I mean, everything about this car is just looking beautiful. Everything's painted up nice and neat. The wiring's all nice and neat. All the hoses are nice and neat. Radiator looks like it's been redone. It's nice and neat. Just everything about the car, very, very well done. Look at that, it even says Mercury right on the head. Isn't that sweet? Look at those, it's even got the, it says Red's headers on there, man. Isn't that sweet? I tell you, this is one, if you can't tell, I like the car. Hey guys, call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.